demand is clear. What we are asking for is total reversal, because this issue of band A, band B, band C, band Z, is discriminatory, and it's also killing the industry. It's discriminatory and it's also killing industry. So what we are asking for is total reversal, because with all the bans and all the segregations they are putting in place, again, it's coming with darkness. We are paying more for darkness. So we are asking for total reversal, because this is not sustainable. Industries are crying. I'm from the textile industry. Our industry is crying that how would they pay for such humongous amount of bill, and yet you still expect them to still run their generators and to pay for this kind of bill. It's killing both to industry, both to individual, both to homes. So we are asking for a complete reversal. The Nigerian Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress are asking for total reversal. No, it depends on, because for us, this is total, and we are committed to it. The Central Working Committee of the Nigerian Labour Congress and that of the Trade Union Congress, they gave this directive, and so we are complying as affiliates. So as long as they refuse the reversal, we will continue to agitate and continue to picket all their offices nationwide. As we are here now, workers are protesting in Edo State, they are protesting in Delta State, they are protesting all over the country, including the Federal Capital Territory. So it's a total commitment for us as citizens, as Nigerians, because there's no cushioning effect anymore for us. The subsidy is removed. We are paying very exorbitant rates for fuel, to fuel our vehicle, to power our homes, and yet you don't give us light. We sleep in the dark every night. Look at the amount of heat in this country today. So you don't give us light, and you expect us to pay more. So we are asking for total reversal. That is our demand.
Our demand is very simple. Our people united
can never be defeated.
Injury to one,
Injury to all.
This is an injury to all Nigerians, and Nigerians will be united once again. This is not about the fight on minimum wage. This is about fight for all Nigerians. We are the voice for the voiceless. We are the strength for the weak. And we are saying it categorically that the federal government of Nigeria policy is anti-people's policy, that they should reverse this wicked policy of band A to band Z on this electricity tariff. We are saying that Nigerians cannot afford this electricity tariff. This tariff is only for the rich. And we are saying it that the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, they are regulating darkness. They are regulating darkness. There is nothing to regulate. And if they are bereft of idea, if they no longer have an idea on how to regulate and to give us a light in Nigeria, maybe they should go back to the colonial masters and ask them the best way in which they will get light, electricity, to electrify Nigeria. And we are also asking that this is a big shame to the giant of Africa. If at this century, smaller countries like South Africa that will even help to gain independence during the apartheid, they are now having more an increased electricity than Nigeria. This is a shame to us, and we are saying it that any leader that want to lead, let them lead with the fear of God. Let them lead the people well, or else what they will see is revolt from Nigerians. We will continue to speak out. We will continue to organize. We will continue to mobilize, to speak against this injustice, because it's an injustice against the workers who the government have not increased our salaries, who they have not, every day, the prices of goods and services, commodities, is becoming out of reach of majority of Nigerians. They continue to push more Nigerians into poverty, and the rich continue to be rich. In other developed countries, it's not like this. The poor will pay for, the rich will pay for the poor. But in my country, it's the poor that is paying for the rich. In other countries, those who does not have job, government will give them stipends to survive. They will give them council flats to live, and they will even give them quality, free health care, education at a level will be free. But in this country, it is the other way around. And we are saying it that we are using this to mobilize and sensitize Nigerians, that let us rise with one voice to condemn this atrocity Nigerian government is committing against humanity. It is against humanity. It is our human right. It's not a privilege. They are not giving us as a privilege. It is our human right that they should give us some certain rights. And so, let there be light. Even in the Bible and in the Quran, God said, let there be light. And so, government of Nigeria, you continue every year to allocate budgetary allocation for electricity that you said you have already privatized. Where is the money going to? It's going into pipe drain and into corruption. And now we are aware that our electricity, majority of it is taken over by the banks, who are now running it, because those who said they purchased the electricity, they use the bank money alone to buy it, and yet they claim they cannot pay back. And every time they now push this onto the consumers. We the consumers, we said enough is enough. We can no longer sustain under this kind of arrangement of the federal government, regulatory commission of electricity, and the distribution disco. When we were young, disco means that we go to party to dance. You are just beating and dancing around the bush. Come and remove all your wire. We no longer need your darkness that you call light. This is not light. This is extortion. This is a modern day slavery in our country. That is where you continue to see more people that japa. They want to go to the climate where everything is regulated, where they will give them light. You pay for the light. You pay for what you see. You pay for what you consume. But in Nigeria, you even pay for what you don't consume. This is modern day slavery and modern day thievery.
Our demand is total reversal of a policy that is not friendly to Nigerians, and that is why we are here. So they have increased the tariff, and they have also given us some kind of banking, telling us banque and bandit. They have become a bandit, not even a bank. Do you understand now? Increasing the tariff, for what essence and for what reasons? So that is why we are here, to let them know that what they are regulating is darkness. And for this obvious reason, then they have to reverse all their policy to let us go back to the status quo. And that is what we are seeing here. If they accept or if they don't accept. If they do not accept, then I will shut down the system. And that is that. We are not here for selfish interests. We are not here for the interests of the union. We are here for the interests of Nigerians. And that is what we are doing here, to let you know that the increase of the tariff is killing us. As you are increasing the tariff, is the salary of the workers being increased? So even the light is not available for individual Nigerian to work. So those are the issues. So if the light is there, then we can work and make money. But what they are regulating is darkness, giving us darkness, and at the same time increasing the tariff to collect double, money from us. So that is what we are saying. If they fail to reverse, so definitely the struggle continue. We'll let them know that we need to chop down the system because it's not working and it's not friendly to ordinary Nigerians.
So what is the message for other unions?
The message of the other unions is for us to come together. And the purpose why we are here, we want you to know that the TUC and the NLC has come together. And that is the two labor house that we have as far as Nigeria is concerned. So for you to see that we are coming together, putting our synergy together, is to tell you that definitely we are ready to fight this cause. So there is no going back. What we need is total reversal. So that is what it is. So if they fail to do that, definitely we stand in for the justice and we continue to fight for Nigerians. So that is our purpose. My name is Comrade Peter Godonu, the National President, National Union of Textile Garment and Tailoring Workers of Nigeria. Thank you very much.